Welcome back to Learn English with us. Don't forget to subscribe and let's start today's English lesson. Hi, Steve. How are you today?
Hi, Maya. I'm doing great, thank you. Today we continue with most common English words. Part 5. We'll learn about daily objects and small things. The items you use and see all around you every day.
Perfect. I always forget the names of small objects like keys and wallets.
Exactly. And today you won't forget them anymore. Let's start with the things we use at school or at work. Repeat after me. Pen, pencil, notebook, paper, eraser, bag, computer, phone, mouse, keyboard, desk, chair.
Those are definitely things I use every single day.
Now let's use them in sentences. I write with a pen. I take notes in my notebook. I erase mistakes with an eraser. I work on my computer. My phone is on the desk. I sit on a chair.
That sounds like my office.
Exactly. Now let's play a small quiz. I'll describe an object. You guess what it is. It's small and you use it to write.
A pen.
It has a screen and you call people with it.
A phone.
It has letters, but it's not a book.
A keyboard.
Perfect. Now let's talk about what we wear. Repeat after me. Shirt, pants, dress, shoes, socks, hat, jacket, coat, glasses, watch.
I love clothing vocabulary.
Then you'll enjoy this. I wear a shirt to work. She wears a dress. He wears a hat. We wear shoes every day. They wear glasses.
And what's the difference between wear and put on?
Good question. You put on clothes in the morning and you wear them during the day.
So I put on my coat. I wear my coat.
Exactly. Let's make it a quick dialogue.
Steve, what are you wearing today?
A blue shirt and black pants. And you?
A red dress and white shoes.
Nice. Ready to learn. Now let's talk about the things we carry every day. Repeat after me. Bag, wallet, keys, phone ... bottle, umbrella, book ... card.
That's literally my bag right now.
Same here. Let's use them in sentences. I open the door with my keys. My wallet is in my bag. I read a book on the bus. I drink water from a bottle. I use my card to pay. I take an umbrella when it rains.
That feels so real.
That's why this lesson sticks in your memory. Next, personal care items. Repeat after me. Soap, shampoo, toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, brush, towel, perfume, mirror.
My morning routine in one list.
Exactly. I wash my hands with soap. I brush my teeth with a toothbrush. I use shampoo for my hair. I dry my hands with a towel. I look in the mirror. I use perfume every day.
So simple and so useful.
That's the goal. English for every moment of your life. Now let's talk about our gadgets. Repeat after me. Phone, tablet, laptop, computer, headphones, charger, cable, remote TV.
Those are my daily tools.
Let's use them in sentences. I charge my phone with a cable. I watch TV with a remote. I use headphones to listen to music. I type on my laptop. I play games on my tablet.
That's me every evening.
Me too. Now a quick quiz. What do you use to listen to music?
Headphones.
What do you use to control the TV?
A remote.
What do you use to charge your phone?
A charger.
Perfect. Let's review some common objects in the house. Repeat after me. Table, chair. Lamp, clock. Door. Window, bed. Carpet. Shelf. Picture.
Those words come up in so many conversations.
Exactly. Now let's use them. The table is clean. The clock is on the wall. The lamp is next to the bed. The door is open. There's a picture on the shelf.
Now it feels like I'm describing my home in English.
Perfect practice. Let's play a memory game. I'll describe something. You say the word. You use it to tell the time.
Clock.
You open it to go outside.
Door. You sit on it. Chair.
You sleep on it.
Bed.
You turn it on when it's dark.
Lamp.
Excellent.
Let's use those words in a short conversation.
Sure.
Hi, Steve. What's in your bag today?
Let's see. My phone, wallet, a bottle, and my keys.
What about your laptop?
Not today. Too heavy. And you?
A book, my perfume, and my charger. Always ready to learn.
I like that. Organized and prepared. Let's repeat the main words one last time together. Pen, phone, laptop, book, bottle, keys, wallet, towel, lamp, door, chair.
Wow, that's a lot of new words today.
Yes, and you already know how to use them. Your challenge for today: walk around your home and name everything you see in English.
That's fun. I'll do it right after this lesson.
Perfect. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe.
And remember, every object you can name makes your English stronger.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.